Paragraph on my hobby gardening. Hobby is a work that we do in our extra time. It is not a profession. Stamps collecting of old coins, painting, photography, and gardening are popular hobbies. Gardening is my favorite hobby. It is a cheap hobby. I have a small grassy plot adjacent to my house. I have grown there different types of plants. I water them. I remove all kinds of weeds. After some days, the flower buds are ready. They bloom after a few days. I enjoy their sweet smell. I look after them with care and love. When I am tired, I sit in the company of these pretty flowers. I decorate my drawing room with them. I give some flowers to my friends as a gift. This hobby gives me much pleasure. It removes my worries. Greenery and the flowers are a great blessing of God. I am proud of my hobby. Thank you.